I've been working on the negotiations with the EU for the data privacy and protection agreement, as well as just issues overall related to the protection of personal data in the United States and the EU. We're talking about the government's collection and use of personal data in the law enforcement context. It's the umbrella agreement, so we're not focused on a particular sector or something like that, the way PNR is. We are actively working with our EU colleagues on the agreement. I can certainly say that. We've had productive negotiations to date, and one of our interests in the United States is to establish mutual recognition of the adequacy of our respective data protection regimes based on and building upon the high-level contact group principles. Back in, I think it was the ministerial in October of 2009, on both sides of the Atlantic, our charge was to build on the high-level contact group principles, which actually reflected established law in both the United States and in EU countries, and to build on those principles that we had found we had in common, and to use those as the foundation for an agreement. I think our discussions actually in the high-level contact group, I think it's been, I think we've learned a lot from each other, and I'm not just saying that to sound, but I really do think it's been it was I think very useful. I hope it was useful for the our European colleagues. It was certainly useful for us, and I think we both learned a lot about each other's systems that we didn't know and understand before, and as I said earlier, I think as a result, we actually realized, in fact, I know we realized we were a lot closer than certainly the Europeans thought at the beginning of the process.